How to change currency on Epic Games. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your currency on Epic Games. So first thing first, all you have to do is just open the Epic Games launcher, and after that just click on the profile icon at the top right corner, and from there just go to accounts, and it will open the accounts in the web browser. And here on the account settings itself, when you will scroll down, you will see the option called address. So once you fill in your address, your region and your city and postal code and your country is selected by default. The currency that you will be able to use on Epic Games after filling in all your details will depend on the country that you are living in. So you can't really change the currency as per the rules and regulation of Epic Games. So this is the only legitimate method using Epic Games to use the currency of the particular country that you are living in. So yeah, unfortunately you can't change the currency on Epic Games. So I hope you find this video to be informative.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.